Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use one-handed mode in OPPO A18 smartphone. Okay, to enable it, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings, scroll down to the bottom and you can see on top one-handed mode, all new one-handed mode. Scroll down to the bottom and go to additional settings, and here we have one-handed mode. Tap on one-handed mode. So you can see, tap over there to enable it. So you can see, to turn on one-handed mode you need to enable navigation gestures first. Okay, now go to settings and enable navigation gesture first. Now go back and enable one-handed mode. Okay, now swipe down at the bottom of the screen like this. Swipe down at the bottom of the screen like this to go in one-handed mode, and swipe up to again go in full screen mode. You can see, if you open an application, so you can see, swipe down to the bottom of the screen like this, swipe down to the bottom of the screen like this to go in one-handed mode, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. You can see this is a really easy method. You can see, swipe down to the bottom of the screen to go in one-handed mode, and tap outside or swipe up to again go in full screen mode. So guys, this is the method to use one-handed mode in OPPO A18 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.